Hey guys, how you doing? All right, so the best thing about the holidays to me is football season. Football season runs all the way through the holidays, all the way past the New Year, February Super Bowl. So anyway, I want to do football finger food. My favorite football finger food is wings. So I've been fantasizing about making these wings that I got in the freezer. So I got them all defrosted right here. And I kept thinking, I don't want to just use any sauce. I don't want to use just any seasoning. I don't want prepackaged stuff. I want to put it together myself, see if I can come up with a cool concoction, all right? So today we're going to do smoked honey chipotle wings. And I'll show you how to put the sauce together. We'll get it all together and we'll smoke it. So here's what we're going to do. The base of it is going to be honey. So I'm going to put about a cup's worth of honey in there. All right, next thing we're going to do is add some soy sauce. I know it sounds crazy. I don't know why I wanted to add soy sauce. Put a little soy sauce in our honey. Next thing I want to do, add some minced garlic. And then here's the kicker. Do a little chipotle chili pepper. All right, do a lot. Get that all mixed up, and then we're going to coat the chicken with it. There we go. So, transfer these wings, all defrosted, into this bowl. All right, so I'm gonna lay this fork in there because we're gonna need it in a minute. I'm gonna take this sauce and drizzle all over. Take this bowl. We're gonna mix everything. We're set in the fridge for a few minutes until Tammy gets back. And this is probably gonna be dinner tonight or tomorrow for football. I think they're doing it for football. So I think we're having this tomorrow for football. You can see we're smoking away. I'll show you the inside. All the wings are in there. They've been marinating in the chipotle honey soy sauce mix. And we're doing some smoked honey chipotle wings, football finger food. Oh, they're pretty good. Pretty tasty. Let's see if we can get an outer bark on these babies. All right, there we go. It looks beautiful, guys. It's glazed, it's smoky, it's sweet, it's heat. It's a little bit of everything I like on my wings. So here you go, smoked honey chipotle wings, and we're gonna try one right now. The Cowboys may suck every year, but the food's always good. That's all that matters. All right, let's give one of these a try. Gotta sprinkle a little bit of green onions on top. I don't think it's too hot. I think I seasoned it just right. I may not have put enough seasoning. I'll probably know better once I eat more of these. Tammy and I are going to split these. But I'm not tasting enough heat. I can taste the chipotle, but I can't feel the heat at all. So Tammy may love these. I don't know. So anyway, but they're delicious. Little sweetness of the honey, smokiness of the wood pellets I used. This is really good. This is good. I would probably go with a little bit more heat next time. A little bit more of the chipotle powder, okay? That's my recommendation, but this recipe rocks. Have fun with this. Make some for Super Bowl. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next episode.